Hi kids, I'm your teacher Sabia, and here we have to finish our story, The Dance to the Rescue. Yes, Dora the Explorer by Nick Jr. And as we know that it is adapted by the Laura Disco based on the original teleplay by Eric Weiner and illustrated by the Dave Akins. So ended our story last time where they and all wants Boots, Dora, and Swiper wanted to cross the ocean. So what's next? This is the second part of the story. Let's see what's happened. The pirate pig was happy to give them a ride across the ocean on his pirate ship. But as they sailed, the waves got bigger and bigger. Oh, suddenly a big wave washed Swiper and the magic bottle overboard. Before Dora could reach the bottle, a whale came up for air and he swallowed the magic bottle, Swiper and all. Oh, oh. Luckily, Backpack was carrying something that could make the whale sneeze. Paper! Ah! Choo! The whale sneezed a big sneeze. Ah! Choo! The bottle flew out of the whale's blowhole and back to the safety on the pirate ship. That was fun, Swapper said with a laugh. I have never been sneezed by a whale before. Thank God they had paper. As they sailed on, a stormy storm rolled in. The only way the stormy storm would let the ship pass was if everyone aboard did the pirate dance. That's our special dance, said Pirate Pig. He and the pirate piggy started to dance, and Dora and Boots joined in. Will you do the pirate dance? Rock your body from side to side, swing your arms, jump up and down, clap your hands, clap your hands. And the stormy storm let them pass. They made it to the castle just in time for the king's dance contest. But the guard wouldn't let Dora and Boots into the castle. You have to wear fancy clothes, he told them. King's rules. Just then Benny floated by in his hot air balloon with a bow tie for a Boots and a fancy gown for a Dora. Wow, great. Thank you, Benny. Thank you. Dora and Boots were ready to dance, but the dancing elf was at the contest too. He wanted to win the big fish for himself, and he was a good dancer. King John Albubu started the contest. First, you must do my favorite dance, he said. The ants in your pants. Dance, dance, dance. Dora, Boots, and Swiper wiggled their hips like they had ants in their pants. So did the dancing elf. Help Dora and Boots win the contest. Wiggle your hips like you have ants in your pants. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wow. The king laughed. Oh, that was very good, he told the dancers. But he wasn't ready to name a winner. He had another silly dance he wanted them to do. To win one big wish, he said, next you must dance like a fish. So everyone danced like a fish. They made fish faces. They flapped their arms like fish fins. Can you do that? Let's see. Fish dance. Flap your arms like a fish. Like fish do with their fins. Yes. Excellent, said King John Albobu. You were all so good. I still can't pick a winner. So the king gave the dancers the hardest challenge of all. You must get my mommy to dance, he said. The king was sad that his mommy never danced. I'm just not good at it, said the king's mommy. See, she's sitting on a royal seat, and it seems that she doesn't know how to dance. Really, it's a big challenge. Dora and had an idea. We can do the everyone can dance. Dance, 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 she said. Yeah, said Boots. That dance gets everyone dancing. So Dora, Boots, and Swiper did the everyone can dance. Dance. Soon everyone was dancing, even the king's mommy too. Wow, great! Help get the king's mommy to dance. Do the everyone can dance. Dance, dance, dance. Put your hands on your hips. Shake your hips. Clap your hands. Jump up and down. Dance, dance, dance. You have done it, said the king. You got my mommy to dance, so I will give you one big wish. What do you wish for? Dora smiled. I know what to wish for, she said. I wish Swiper free. Help Dora's wish come true. Say, I wish Swiper free. Say it again. I wish Swiper free. I wish Swiper free. Poof! In a swirl of sparkles, Swiper was free. The dancing Gulf was sorry that he tricked Swiper. I guess I have to go back into the bottle, he said sadly. Dora asked the king if the dancing elf could stay out of the bottle. He really loves to dance, and there's no room in there, she pointed out. She seems to. The king agreed and declared that the dancing elf was to be free of the bottle forever. Wow, everyone was thrilled. And do you know what they did to celebrate? Yes, they all danced. Yes, I really like this story. Did you like that? If you like that, just leave a comment, like, and share this story with your favorite and loving ones. Till the next story. Bye bye.